Hi everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss moving to Canada. Top 10 pre-arrival checklist. Moving to a new country is a big step and being well prepared can make all the difference. If you're planning a move to Canada, there are a lot of things to consider before you arrive, from gathering the necessary documents to finding a place to live and preparing for employment. Let's talk about gather all your documents. Before you leave for Canada, make sure you have all the necessary documents ready. This includes customs declaration forms and passports for each family member traveling with you. Remember not to pack these documents in your luggage. Keep them with you at all times. For a complete list of documents required for entry, visit the Government of Canada's website. Secondly, get your work credentials assessed. If you plan on working in Canada, you will need to have your credentials assessed. This will help determine what kind of jobs you are qualified for and what additional training you may need. More information on credential assessment for newcomers to Canada can be found on this Government of Canada webpage. You can also find more information at the Canadian Information Centre for International Credentials. They provide information and services to help newcomers integrate into the Canadian workforce. Third, prepare for employment. One of the most important things to consider when moving to Canada is finding employment. The Government of Canada's Job Bank offers a variety of resources for newcomers, including job listings, information on the job market, and tips on writing resumes and cover letters. Fourth, prepare yourself financially. Moving to a new country can be expensive, so it is important to prepare yourself for the economic impact. Be sure to familiarize yourself with financial information on the cost of living in Canada, including housing, transportation, and healthcare. A lot of banks offers a range of financial services for newcomers to help you plan and manage your finances before and after your arrival in Canada. Fifth, enhance your language skills. Canada is a bilingual country, with both English and French being official languages. If you are not fluent in one or both languages, it is important to improve your language skills before you arrive. Explore the Canadian government's resources for language training and learning, including language classes and language assessment tests that are available. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video. Take care.